Hello, today we are going to make almond paste, an essential ingredient in Moroccan cookies. On medium heat, place the raw whole almonds in a saucepan filled with boiling water. Let the almonds boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain the almonds from the water and place them on a plate. Gently squeeze the almonds with your fingers and loosen the skin from them. Separate the almonds into 2 batches. For additional flavor, one batch will be fried and the other not. Heat some vegetable oil in a frying pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, place the blanched almonds in the pan. Fry the almonds for a few minutes, stirring constantly until they get a beautiful golden brown color. As soon as the almonds are colored, transfer them into a plate covered with paper towel to absorb excess oil. Now let's make the almond paste. Place the blanched almonds that were not fried in a food processor and mix until they become a paste. Add the powdered sugar and melted butter. Continue mixing until you get a smooth paste. Place the almond paste in a bowl. Place the fried almonds in a food processor and mix until they become a smooth paste. Combine the 2 almond mixtures. Take a few pebbles of Arabic gum called miska and mix them with a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Crush with the back of a spoon until you get a fine powder. Add the miska powder to the almond paste. Also, do not forget to add ground cinnamon and orange blossom water. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. The paste should be smooth enough that you can roll it into shapes. You can keep this almond paste in an airtight container for up to 1 month in the fridge or a couple of months in the freezer.